Today, we're going to talk about going solar and the different options available for homeowners. You might have heard people say that solar power won't save you any money, but that's not always the case. This is only true if the solar system is poorly designed. A well-designed solar system can provide significant savings, but choosing the right option is key. Let's break down the 3 main ways to go solar, and I'll help you understand the pros and cons of each. Option 1, the 25-year lease agreement. The first option is what we call a lease agreement. In this case, the solar company installs the system on your home, but they own it. You don't pay for the system up front. Instead, you pay a fixed monthly bill, which is determined by the size of the solar system installed. It's important to note that with a lease, you don't own the system, the solar company does, so you'll be making monthly payments for 25 years. Who benefits from this? A lease can be a good option for people on a fixed income who want predictable monthly payments without worrying about the costs of maintenance or repair. Since the solar company owns the system, they are responsible for upkeep. Option 2, the 25-year power purchase agreement, PPA. The second option is a power purchase agreement, or PPA. Like the lease, the solar company installs and owns the system, but instead of paying a fixed monthly bill, you pay based on the energy the system generates. In other words, you're paying for the kilowatt hours, kWh, the solar system produces. The amount you pay can vary each year depending on the system's output and any escalation rates applied to your contract. Who benefits from this? A PPA can be a great choice if annual escalation rates are low and if current loan rates for buying a system are high, since there's no upfront cost. The downside is that, like the lease, you don't own the system, and you'll still be making payments for 25 years. You also need to be aware of potential increases in the cost of energy over time, as your rate may rise. Option 3. Owning the solar system. Finally, the third option is outright ownership. This can be done either by paying for the system in full or financing it through a loan. Owning your solar system means you're no longer dependent on the solar company for energy costs after you've paid off the system. You also gain access to federal tax credits and potentially other incentives from your utility company. Who benefits from this? This option is ideal for homeowners who can afford to pay upfront or can qualify for a loan. The biggest advantage is financial. You own the system, so after it's paid off, there are no more monthly payments, and you can benefit from tax credits and other financial incentives. However, owning the system also means you're responsible for maintenance and repairs. Which option is right for you? Now that we've reviewed the 3 main ways to go solar, leasing, a PPA, and owning, how do you decide which option is best for you? If you're on a fixed income and prefer stable, low payments, a lease agreement may suit you. If you're comfortable with a bit of variability in your payments based on energy usage, and you're looking to avoid a down payment, the PPA might be the right fit. And if you want to take full advantage of tax credits and incentives, and you can afford to finance or pay for the system outright, owning your solar system is likely the best option. Important considerations before you decide. Before making your decision, it's important to do your own research. Don't rely solely on salespeople, as their goal is often to sell what benefits them the most. Instead, visit your utility company's website to learn about available incentives. You can also check out the Solar Energy Industries Association, SEIA website for reliable information about the solar industry. Once you've gathered all the facts, then speak to a salesperson. By being informed, you'll be in a much better position to make the right decision and avoid being taken advantage of. Ideally, you'll find a salesperson who is transparent and honest, but ultimately, the decision should be based on what best fits your needs. Conclusion. To wrap things up, going solar can be a fantastic way to save money and reduce your environmental impact, but the key is choosing the right option for your situation. Whether you decide to lease, sign a PPA, or purchase the system outright, the right choice will depend on your financial situation, energy needs, and long-term goals. Thank you for your time today. I hope this information has helped clarify the different solar options available to you, and that you feel more confident about making the best choice for your home. If you need assistance with going solar, or if you have a solar system that is not working or needing a repair, check the description below for Array Energy's contact information. They will be able to help with any and all of your needs.